We've all heard the saying, you're only as strong as your weakest link. Well, in business, those links are people. And everyone from the CEO to the sales associate helps make a business succeed or fail. There will always be a few people who stand out for the impact they have or the potential they demonstrate, and most companies recognize their value and invest heavily in them. But what if everyone felt that you thought their contribution was valuable? Customer service would improve, innovation would flourish, and quality and efficiency would increase. When people feel engaged with a company, they make more discretionary effort or do things because they want to, rather than have to. Research shows that there is a limit to how much money or frequent promotions will affect an employee's production. Instead, when people feel challenged, connected, and purposeful, they are more likely to give their best effort. But how do you get people to feel that engaged at work? The answer is to help them find their best self, the self that is competent in their job, proud of what they do, and recognized for who they are. ULab makes it possible and affordable to help every employee find and develop their best self. Just like some companies offer gym memberships to their staff to stay healthy, for just a couple of dollars a month per person, you can help your employees develop important personal attributes that make the difference between average employees and great ones. Personal guides like personal trainers offer practical advice that can help employees identify their talents, prepare for situations they will encounter, and learn how to develop important attributes for success in business and in their personal lives. Chances are, if you're not investing in your people, they are not investing in your company. Invest in your business by investing in the people who make it great. Make use of the no-risk trial offer below. It just takes 3 minutes to sign up and let your employees experience ULab for free.